Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your finances with Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage your finances with Wells Fargo, first, visit the Wells Fargo website or download the mobile app. Create an account by providing your personal information, such as your name, email, and social security number. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Set up direct deposit for your paycheck to streamline your income management. Link your existing accounts, like savings and checking accounts, for a comprehensive view of your finances. Next, create a budget by accessing the budgeting tool within the platform. Categorize your expenses by adding regular bills, groceries, and entertainment. Monitor your spending regularly to ensure you stay within your budget. Use the mobile app to track your transactions on the go for better financial oversight. Consider setting up automatic savings transfers to reach your financial goals more efficiently. Make use of Wells Fargo's financial planning tools for personalized advice and resources. Review your credit score by accessing the credit management section of your account. Stay informed about any fees or charges associated with your accounts to avoid unnecessary costs. Utilize alerts and notifications to remind you of upcoming payments and to help manage your finances effectively. Engage with Wells Fargo's customer service for any questions or support regarding your accounts. Regularly review your financial goals to ensure you're on track to achieving them. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your finances with Wells Fargo and build a strong financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.